Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter bread toast. Start by gathering 2 slices of bread and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Lightly butter one side of each slice for crisp edges if desired. Preheat your toaster or a skillet on medium heat to get even browning. Spread peanut butter on the unbuttered sides and toast until warm and golden. Slice and serve with coffee or milk. Begin by laying out 2 slices of bread and setting 2 tablespoons of peanut butter nearby. Use a knife to spread peanut butter evenly across one slice so every bite has flavor. Add optional toppings like banana slices, a drizzle of honey, or a dash of cinnamon for extra taste. Lightly butter the outer faces of the bread to promote browning and crunch. Prepare your toaster or skillet so you can toast immediately. Place the prepared slices in a toaster or skillet and toast until the bread turns golden and the peanut butter warms through. If using a skillet, flip once to brown both sides evenly and avoid burning the crust. Remove when you see an even golden color and slight crispness. Transfer to a plate, slice diagonally for easy handling, and enjoy right away with coffee, tea, or a glass of milk as a cozy snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.